July 15th last year, I'm sitting at home on my couch with the remote, like most of us do, and all of a sudden I felt a pain in my chest, and it started traveling down my arm, up my neck to my jaw, and it was excruciating pain. And then I started sweating. I had an idea of what this might be because you hear about it all the time, so I called the nurse, and she said that I needed to get to the hospital right away.
Reggie came to us about three and a half months ago, and he had some angina, chest pain with activity, and shortly after that they tried to manage it medically, and shortly after that he had an angioplasty and stent to open that blockage that he had.
So no, I had no idea this would be happening to me. Never thought it, and I was kind of upset when it did happen. I was kind of mad.
Reggie was like most patients. He was a little fearful. Most people who come to see us go through the same emotions that people do when they are grieving. So because you lose control of your health a little bit when you have heart disease. The goal of cardiac rehab is to help people recover from whatever they've gone through. It could be a bypass surgery, it could be a valve replacement, it could be a heart attack.
I was rough. I didn't realize I was in bad shape, as bad a shape as I was in. Walking around the track, especially 2 or 3 laps, and my legs were hurting. It's because I smoked for a long time too. I smoked cigarettes for a long time. When I first came in here, I had the staff here with me on every piece of equipment, and they wouldn't make me wear myself out, because I wanted to try to prove to them that I could do something. I still thought I could do things, and I really couldn't. The treadmill, for example, oh my God, it was a beast. It was really hard. As time went along, I could see myself getting better, and they would raise the value of my intensity themselves. Okay, you're at level 3 now, or you're level 4 now. That's how they did it, you know. I guess because at the whole time while they're doing that, they're monitoring your heart.
Our goal is that after 3 months, he's able to kind of continue his rehab on his own if he doesn't stay with us in our maintenance program. So he knows how to eat healthy foods, make good choices, and knows how to exercise with confidence.
The difference between not exercising and exercising on a regular schedule, it's a big difference. It carries, I mean, it actually affects my mentality, you know, during the day. Because I can remember before, when I wasn't doing anything, I wasn't feeling as good as I am now, especially about myself, about life, about anything. You know, this helps. I don't understand it, but it does help.